Hello. I hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to jump on real quick and give you a couple tips if you are in the market right now to sell your luxury home. I have three really quick tips that I want to give you that can be very helpful in doing that. One, I'm sure you've heard this before, but I'm going to say it again. Make sure you are priced correctly. You want to make sure you price correct. You don't want to price too low. You don't want to price too high. You want to make sure that you're pricing in accordance with the activity that's in your market and to get you the best price for your home. Number one. Two, when marketing your home, you want to make sure, obviously you have professional photography, drone video, and to highlight all of the great qualities that you love in your home, because other people will probably love some of those same things. All right. And in addition to that, so three, which is a little bit of overlap with number two, is we're not just selling your home. You're selling the lifestyle that frames that home. The same way you bought that home and now you're transitioning into a different stage of your life, which calls for a different home. There's someone else who is transitioning out of a different phase of their life, transitioning into a phase that requires a home just like yours. Okay. You want to keep those three things in mind. There's a bunch of other stuff that can go into that too, and I can go over with you as a part of the luxury culture method, at Black Luxury Realty. Let's set up some time to talk. I'm here to help, okay?